Hi everybody, it's Lynette here, and today I have the newest ASOS box for June, and it comes in a much bigger box, and then this box is inside. But I kind of like the fact that I like the fact it looks like the bottom of a swimming pool. That's what it reminds me of. Anyway, I'm going to look inside, and I have a kind of big idea that this is going to be a kind of summertimey box, as it were. So it always says go play and stay hydrated, people. So it says summer glow ups have never been easier thanks to your newest face and body box. It's got 5 products designed to keep your skin hydrated, protected and glowing all summer long. So I'm not actually going to go through that because it tells you what's in it. I'm just going to pull them out bit by bit. The first item I see here is one that's gorgeous. It's Holika and it's their aloe vera soothing gel. Now if you do happen to get a wee tad burnt, a good tip with this is I keep it in the fridge and put it on. So the aloe vera kind of helps soothe the skin, and kind of putting it in the fridge sometimes takes a bit of the heat out of it. So you've got a couple of years of the expiry date for that, which is good, 2022. And I would take that away on holiday with me. It's ideal. Try and not get burnt, but you know, the best intentions, it does sometimes happen. So the next item I see here is one that I've had before. It's Revolution Liquid Highlighter. There we go. Now I'm not going to open that because I won't be using it. Got enough highlighters and liquid highlighters and what have you. Now the next one here is, it says a scrub from Down Under for all over. So it says a beauty scrub, and it's by Frank Body. What does it say here? So it's got eucalyptus, which is antibacterial. It's got cacao plum, which is brightening, and macadamia oil, which is hydrating. So what you do with it is just get naked and get in the shower and get wet in the shower. Massage, scrub all over your entire body, leave for 3 minutes, then rinse, and use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So that's a kind of body scrub, which is quite good. And it comes from Australia. I can't see anything about whether it's vegan or cruelty free or not, but there we go, Australian made. And that's a beauty scrub. Now it's really good before you plan on kind of going out in the sun to make sure you prep your skin with a scrub. Quite often if you go places like Turkey, you can go for a Turkish bath and they'll do all that for you, get rid of all the dead skin and everything, but you can do it at home. Who knows when we'll be able to travel. The next item I've got here, there's 2 items that go together. It's the Saint-Tropez Dual-Sided Velvet Luxe Applicator Mitt. So that's that. So you can use both sides for that. I don't know if other mitts you can only use the one side. It says prep and maintain. And it also comes with 1 hour hydrating tan. So that's bronzing gel self-tan. So how much is in that? 35 mils. So it says it takes an hour for light, 2 hours for medium and 3 hours for dark. So for example, if I was to use it, I wouldn't want to go too dark because of my kind of overall kind of skin tone. So I would use it for an hour. To be honest with you, I could use it for 3 hours and I probably wouldn't have a tan anyway. And you get the applicator mitt. So the last item we've got in the box is one that I was looking forward to showing you. It's Clinique and it's an SPF 40. And I think it's specifically for the face, which I always buy SPF for my body. And I do kind of rely on sometimes my moisturiser having some SPF in it, but it's usually only 15. See if I can get this open. But this is 40, which is fantastic. So it says Super Defense SPF 40 Fatigue and First Signs of Age Multi-Correcting Gel. Now, the sun is really damaging to your skin, especially your face. So there we go. I love the kind of packaging as well, Clinique. And my hands aren't working very well today. So it's got the little kind of plasticky bit that protects it. Oh, and it's full right to the top, which is good. Clinique usually are. So I'm going to dip my finger in. It's fine, my hands are clean. Oh, it's a nice kind of gel. It goes in. It's got a nice fresh scent to it. And it actually, it's more, it looks, you can see that it's a gel, but it's a kind of like a moisturising gel. Oh, it smells lovely and fresh. So I'm going to put that in the bathroom, and I'll put that on. I'll probably put that on most mornings actually, because an SPF 40 is fantastic for the face. Now that is the one thing that I usually kind of think, oh, I've got SPF 15 in my foundation or in my moisturiser, but it's not usually enough. So I'm really excited to get that. So I'll just do a recap. This box was £12. I pay for auto payment, so I get it for a year. I think it only costs like £10.95, and you get next day delivery for a year. So it's £12, and I've already paid the postage and packaging. So you get the Frank scrub, the Holika aloe vera gel, the Revolution highlighter, the Clinique SPF 40, which is fantastic. I'd actually paid £12 just for that. The Saint-Tropez mitt, and the Self-Tan Express, which is what it's called. So guys, will you be ordering this box? Yeah, the glow up. Definitely you will be glowing, and I know that, you know, we'll probably not be able to go away very far for a long time, but you can, you know, the gorgeous weather that we've been having, you can self tan, you can sit in the garden, you can turn your garden almost into kind of a holiday destination, which I've seen lots of people doing, you know, adding swimming pools and tropical plants and slip and slides and things like that. So this is a nice wee pamper box again. I won't actually use this Saint-Tropez. I'll pass that on to my mum or my sister. I won't use a highlighter because I've got loads of those. But I will keep the Holika, the SPF, and the body scrub. So yeah, I'm more than happy with this box. And yeah, let me know if you're going to get it, or if you think it's a bit of a duff box. But I like seeing the summer boxes. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!